OK， 9月去北京旅游最好。9月 September 去北京 September going to Beijing. 9月去北京旅游最好。So in September, going to Beijing for traveling is the best. In September, going to the Beijing for traveling is the best. Look at the topic. 课文一 Text 1. 在学校 at the school. The person A 说我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？我要去北京旅游。I want to go to Beijing for 旅游 traveling. 你觉得 you feel 什么时候去最好？ You feel when to go is the best. So when do you feel it's the best to go over there? आपको लगता है कभी वहां पर जाना सबसे अच्छा होगा. आपको लगता है वहां पर कभी जाना सबसे अच्छा होगा.最好 becomes the best because most good becomes the best. 9月去北京旅游最好. September में Beijing जाना for traveling is the best. 为什么क्यों ऐसा क्यों? 9月的北京天气不冷也不热. September का Beijing天气不冷 not cold 也不热 also not hot. I'll repeat once more with the important words. 我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？9月去北京旅游最好。为什么？9月的北京天气不冷也不热。You can always try to repeat after me. 我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？9月去北京旅游最好。为什么？9月的北京天气不冷也不热。Okay, we shall move to the next part. 课文2 Text 2. 看照片。看 is to see. Please write down this word. 照片 looking at the picture. 看照片 looking at the picture. 你喜欢什么运动？你喜欢什么运动？ You like what sports? What sports do you like? आपको कौन सा स्पोर्ट्स पसंद है? 你喜欢什么运动？我最喜欢踢足球。I most like 踢足球 to play football. It means playing football is my favorite. 下午我们一起去踢足球吧。In the afternoon, let's together go to play football. 好啊 Okay. Again, you can repeat after me. 你喜欢什么运动？我最喜欢踢足球。下午我们一起去踢足球吧。好啊 Okay.